Welcome back to another episode of... Welcome back to another episode of Cooking... Welcome back to another episode of... It's so hot. Sometimes when it gets really hot, it's hard to think. I know just the thing to cool me off, too. Well, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Calvin, where we're going to make frozen yogurt popsicles. What we will need to make yogurt popsicles is first yogurt, a spoon, and a popsicle mold. My popsicle mold is in the shape of a sailboat. That reminds me of the sailboat peanut butter and jelly sandwich that we made. First, you open up your popsicle mold, and then you open up your yogurt. Open. This yogurt is peaches and cream yogurt. I like to eat the yogurt that is on the lid. Take your spoon and mix up all the yogurt. Make sure all of the flavor is spread all the way around. And now, you pour the yogurt into your popsicle mold. Pour it all the way in. Now sometimes you might have a little bit of leftover yogurt after you filled up your popsicle mold. What should I do with the yogurt that's left over? I'll just eat it. I love yogurt. It's such a great healthy snack. That was delicious. Now, I have my popsicle mold full of yogurt, and I take the cap and I put it right on top. Now let me just show you. This part of the popsicle stick is the handle. This is what we'll be holding on to when we eat our popsicle. Then we take this part and put it into the popsicle mold. When it freezes in the freezer, the whole thing will come out and you'll have a frozen popsicle. Now the next step, like what we said, I put the cap back on. Now the stick is inside where the yogurt is, and we put the whole thing in the freezer. Well, I've washed up my yogurt cup and recycled it. I cleaned my spoon, and now I wait for tomorrow. Welcome to another episode of Cooking with Calvin, and welcome back to my kitchen. This isn't my kitchen. This isn't even San Francisco. This is Austin, Texas Farmers Market. Let's go take a look around. That taco was delicious. Now that after that taco, I'm really thirsty for some juice. Let's go look for some juice. Oh, hey, it's you. You're back. Is it tomorrow yet? I think today is tomorrow. Well, I don't need this anymore. That means our popsicles are ready. Let's go check to see if they're ready. It looks like our popsicle is all ready to go. Let's pull it out of the shell so that we can eat our popsicle. It seems to be stuck. I think I know what we need to do. We need to run hot water over it so it'll come out easier. Let's go to the sink. Thanks to my popsicle mold, I now have a yogurt popsicle, a healthy snack. And it's a sailboat. Now for my favorite part. I get to eat it. It's so delicious and it cools me off on a hot day. Thanks for watching. Rise and shine, let's start our day. Breakfast in the morning before we play. Always eating only the healthy food will always make us feeling so good. Apples and bananas and celery sticks. Add some peanut butter, makes a tasty mix. Now it's time to learn more meals to know. Welcome to the kitchen with Calvin's Cooking Show.